Assalamualaikum class 10. Hope you will be good and you have seen my previous lecture. We have started unit number 5, the rain. We have done the reading of this poem and we have done few question answers given on page number 60 and 61. Today we will do comprehension. It's on page number 59. See, answer the following questions. 6 questions are given from the poem and we will do these questions today, and we also do summary of the poem. Today date is 8 August 2020. It's my 29th lecture and day is Saturday. See the summary of the poem first and then we will discuss question answers. So the poem The Rain is written by W.H. Davies. First name is W.H. Davies. Nature and hardship of life are favorite topics of W.H. Davies. On this poem, he expresses his view about rain and social discrimination found in our society. So in our society, he discussed about the discrimination of poor and rich people. This poem has symbolic meaning. The poet says that he hears the leaves drinking rain. When the water of rain sprinkle on the leaves, it creates a nice music. The upper leaves, after quenching their thirst, pass on the drops to the lower leaves. This metaphor means that the rich get a golden chance first and whatever remains trickle down to the poor people. We have discussed all of this idea when I read the poem, that he symbolizes the things such as rich leaves symbolize rich people and poor leaves symbolize poor people. The poet says that soon it will stop raining, the sun will come out, its beautiful light will lighten each drop, the sun will shine with full brightness, it will be a lovely sight. The poet means to say that there would be equality in the society, just like sunlight which spreads all over the world equally. This sunshine is both for the dark round drop of rain and rich green leaves. So this idea is also discussed that after the rain the sun will appear and brighten all the objects of the world, and it is symbol of equality. So you have to learn and write this summary of the poem, and then I want to discuss the question answers. See the question number 1. It is given on page number 59. What does the poet hear? The poet hears leaves drinking water. What according to the poet is a sweet noise? According to the poet, falling of raindrops on the leaves drop after drop is a sweet noise. What will happen after the rain stops? After the rain stops, a wonderful light will fill each dark place. How does the sun come out after the rain? After the rain stops, the sun comes out of the cloud and fills each dark place with its light. How does the light fill the drops? After the rain, when the sun shines, its light fills each round drop. What makes the scene lovely? When the sun shines brightly after rain, it makes the scene lovely. It's the question answers. You have to do it on your notebook. 6 questions and summary of the poem. It is your task of today. You have to learn it and also do it on your neat notebooks. Try to understand the idea given in this poem, and few questions I have discussed yesterday related to metaphor and personification. You have to also do it on your notebook and learn it. I love this class.